Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn and write essay on Diwali. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Diwali is one of the most joyful and widely celebrated festivals in India. Second line is it is also called the festivals of lights. Third line is it usually falls in October or November. Fourth line is it is a festival that brings people closer. Fifth line is people light up their homes with colorful candles and lamps. Sixth line is they wear new clothes and burst fireworks. Seventh line is they visit relatives, exchange gifts and eat sweets. Eighth line is people share love and happiness with everyone. Next line is it is a time of joy, laughter and being together. Last line is, this festival celebrates the victory of light over darkness and good over evil.